Hey guys, we're at Scoobs' place and we're doing a dump load. All this is free. All these stuffed toys, shirts, it's good stuff, but he's got so much to do. Let's have a look around here and see what's going on. So I've left him the little trailer, right? So we've got that chock-a-block. Well, it's the chock-a-block it's fucking getting, all right? Somebody stole the ropes. So we're going to tarp it, obviously, and do it all properly. Yeah, have you? Oh, good. This is where he's up to here, so at least he's got all the fucking shit stuff. I'm sorry about swear. The stuffed toys out, so he can get to the back of the trailer. So he's done that. He's still got all that shit to sort, but at the moment he's on a time limit. So the X is coming in 2 hours. He, you know, like with 3 hours or whatever time it is, 2 p.m. He's got shit to do, so we're not bothering him. There's ambulances going by, 3 police cars on the way down here. I'm like, it can't be for me. It wasn't for me, it was somebody else. Yeah, but we had to pull over the side of the road. They don't worry because I did that. So I'm driving around with this thing. We're getting a new van. So this has just got, you know, it's issues it's got. The radio, the windows don't go down. That doesn't, yeah, the lights will work. But it's still, you know, if the jack get you, don't they? You know what I mean? She's rusty. She's been good. But yeah, hopefully I won't smash into it, or I might. Yeah, I didn't put the thing up properly, so that's clever. Is that not locking in properly? Yeah, she's in. All right, we need to grab that big tarp there, brother. So we're going to throw it over, then we're sort of going to tuck it down. Normally what I do is put boards or something at the back here, which he hasn't done.
It's full of toys.
Oh, it's not full of toys too.
No.
So then it's going to blow off and...
It's wet. How many can you take that?
Yeah. All right, so all we want to do is stick it down. You know what I mean? Like shoving it down in it and let the weight of the product keep it in. Plus we'll tarp as well, of course. Because we know what we're doing. Just ask Scooby. Oh my giddy aunt. This is the life we lead, boys. We are the trailer park boys, I'm telling you. That's crazy stuff.
I narrowly avoided getting stolen last night.
Well, how?
Fucking what people fucking out there. There's heaps of it.
Okay. Yeah. We got to throw it all in, otherwise it's going to flap. Yeah, what was it? A little setup there. Nine. See the video Kev come around and do the house for me? That's pretty sweet of him, man. Geez, he's an interesting fella. He's got some hell of stories, man. Lived a great life. Yeah. Nowhere he hasn't been. I've travelled right around Australia, in the guts of it, everywhere. We don't know what we're doing. We don't know what we're doing. We got no fucking idea. So more ropes the better. All right, I might end that here because it's going to watch me tying ropes up. But we'll do one when we get to the tip thing anyway. Okay, bye.